If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Google Pixel 10a, here's what you can do. So first of all, on Google Pixel 10a, we're gonna open Settings. Next, in Settings, we're gonna search for Backup or Copy Data option, and then over here we have Copy Data using Android Switch. So you can go over here, press Start, and then we need to choose what is our old device. So if you have like Android, then of course you need to choose Pixel or Android device. If you had an iPhone or iPad, then of course you want to choose the other option, the iPhone or iPad. In my case, I'm gonna choose Pixel or Android. And now we need to scan this QR code. So open the QR code scanner on your phone and scan the QR code over here. Once you scan the QR code, you should be able to connect on your old phone. There we go. And now we need to wait for both devices to properly connect with each other. Now, once both devices are connected, we can go ahead and tap on Next in here. And afterwards, you should also be able to choose whatever you want to transfer. So as you can see, you can transfer apps, call history, photos and videos, documents, device settings, and so on and so forth. If you want to exclude something, you can easily tap on this checkbox in order to, well, remove it from the transfer. And once you're ready, just tap on Copy in here. And now, after that, you will have to wait for the transfer to be done. Of course, the more data you have to transfer, the more time it will take to do so. On the other hand, if you decide to transfer something from iPhone, in order to use the Android Switch, you will have to download it from the App Store. And in my case, I have it already downloaded, but you can go to the App Store, of course, and you can search for the Android Switch app. So just simply type Android Switch and then get the app over here, and then we can open it. Over here we need to tap Start, of course, choose iPhone at this time. Over here we need to select Copy Data, and you will need to scan the QR code, and the rest is pretty much the same, although you might need to continue the selection on your iPhone instead of on your Google Pixel 10a. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.